everybody, and welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. I'm pretty excited for what I got. Funny thing is, this morning I go on the app, nothing shows up for new CRTs or anything. Then I go to the store and I scan my card, and it said, or whatever, you printed all your things, and I'm like, nothing printed off. So I got an employee. There was no paper in the red machine, and she's like, oh, it'll print off for you. Nothing printed off. So I always scan my card a couple times, and I enter my phone number a couple times. That's how I get all my CRTs printed off. But I'm so happy for the app the way it is, because it shows me what CRTs did not print off. It does say it's printed, but I know if I don't physically have it, it was the one that was supposed to be printed off. So that's one thing I'm really liking about, you know, the update on that app, and I know they're improving a whole lot better. It's for situations like that. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. It was pretty good. I was in there, I was in there pretty, well, considering I was in there pretty quickly, but yes. Anyways, I got Dial body wash. Dial body wash is spend 10, so these were $3.99. You guys want to buy 3 of them. I had a 4 off of 10 CRT that I used of a Dial CRT, so you guys would end up getting this for $7.97, but then you get a $3 extra care buck, and you guys can submit your receipt to Ibotta. 75 cents, 75 cents, and 75 cents is what you guys would get back with Ibotta. Comes out to be just $2.72 or 91 cents a piece, and I'll take it, because very rare we can ever get Dial for under $1. So I will take it. Take it, take it, take it. So yes, I ended up getting the ThermaCare. Now there's a great, I've been trying to really push Ibotta deals, you guys. So the ThermaCare is $7.99. Now I had 3 different pain relief CRTs, and as I was getting this, I'm like, ooh, Aspercrem. So I'll show you guys that in a bit. But I ended up using a digital $3 off coupon and a printable $3 off coupon. Some of you guys might have gotten those in inserts. I didn't get those inserts. But I also had a 3 off of 12 pain relief CRT that I used. So you'd pay $6.98 for the both of these. But then you get a $3 extra care buck. And you guys can submit your receipt for $1 and $1 with Ibotta, making it just $1.98, or basically 99 cents a piece. And I have yet to try ThermaCare. I keep getting them. I usually just give them away. But I've been having neck problems. I'm hoping maybe, you know, that might make things a little bit better. I ended up getting the Ucrim. Now, these were $10.29. I actually got 2 different body or hand lotion or lotion CRTs. It's been weeks since I've got a lotion CRT, and today I actually got one. I got I had a 4 off of 20, and then I had 3 off of 10 or something like that. But I ended up using the 4 off of 20. So Ucrim, $10.29. I used 2 $2 off coupons that we got in today's inserts. Otherwise there is printables. I also used that 4 off of 20 any lotion. So you guys would pay $12.58 for the both of these. But then you get a $10 extra care buck, making it $2.58 or $1.29, which is a great deal. I hate to say it, but I'm actually not a big fan of Ucrim. One of the lotions that I use, I just don't like the way it feels. I don't like the way it feels, but you know what? Other people like it, and so I give it to them. My husband likes it. Yes. Now, this deal was a pain in the butt. I ended up having to text Llewellyn because I'm like, okay, I have that buy one, get one free CRT, and I'm like scanning every single little item and nothing is popping up. I'm like, why is this not working? So I had to send her, she told me what it was, and I'm like, I'm still dumb. So I ended up saying, hey, can you send me a picture of what this item is? And then this is the only item I did not scan. And then that CRT popped up, and I'm like, oh, I feel like such an idiot. But I ended up getting the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Foundation Stick. I'm excited to try this. I got Natural Ivory because I'm pale as can be. But these were $17.49. So I got almost $40 worth of makeup right here, you guys. Okay? you want to use two $4 off coupons. So I had a printable coupon and I had a digital coupon. I also had two digitals, but she said the digitals weren't coming off, so I gave her one of my printables and then one of the digitals came off. I know it was weird, but I also had I totally forgot to add this. I had a $3 Neutrogena CRT that I used also. So I ended up paying $6.49 for this. I totally did not do this right. $6.49 for this. But then I would get a $6 rebate, so this came out to be 49 cents. But then you get a $10 Visa gift card or Visa card or whatever from Fandango. I do have that link in my breakdowns for you guys, but it ends up becoming a $9.51 moneymaker for this. I think if I did my math right. Yeah, because it was supposed to be a $6.51, but then I had that $3 off CRT that I forgot to write down in the breakdown. So pretty good deal if you guys are interested in that. And then I got the CoverGirl mascara. I've been really trying to get mascara over the eyebrow pencils or eyeliner. I just feel like mascara is just a better thing. So the mascara was $9.99. I used two $3 off coupons from our inserts last week. There were better inserts last week than this week. I also had an 8 off of 20 CoverGirl CRT. I was originally going to do the spend 15, but I'm like, you know, I just need to spend $5 more and I might get a better deal. So I used that 8 off of 20 CRT. Now that said it printed and I never got it, so I ended up sending that to my card. I paid $5.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $6 extra care buck back, making it a 2-cent moneymaker. So you guys will get those for free. The next deal we got is the Maybelline. So these were $4.79. I bought two of them. I used a $5 CRT that was printed from the red machine last week that I saved. I paid $4.58 for the both of these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck, making it just a 42-cent moneymaker. So these were free. So you guys, I think I'm getting a cold, so I'm like starting to get all stuffed up. It's the weather, can't control it. Here I got some Aspercrem. Now, there is a deal with Icy Hot that I wanted to do. It would have probably been a better deal, but my store only had one of them, and I'm like, I'm not doing this deal unless they have two of them. But definitely try to do the Icy Hot deal with the $3 off Ibotta rebate. There's two, then you can do the buy one get one free coupon, but I really wanted to do that deal. They just didn't have enough on hand. So I got the Aspercrem. This was $9.79. I used a buy one get one free coupon that we got in today's inserts. I had, again, 3 different pain relief coupons, or CRTs, so I used a $1 off of 5 and a 2 off of 10 CRT for this one. You guys would pay $6.79 for the both of this, but then you get a $3 extra care buck back, making it $3.79 or just $1.89. So not the greatest deal, but I wanted to share with you guys that because I wanted to mention the Icy Hot deal. I think it's the spray you have to do, but you get a $3 extra care, or a $3 rebate with Ibotta if you guys can do that deal. So the next deal we did is the Suave body wash. These were $2.39 at my store. They finally had these in stock. I swear for the last year they've only had like 2 in stock at a time. Like, it's just that bad, but they finally had their shelves packed on here. So these are $2.39. I used $2 off coupons that we got from our inserts today. I also had a 2 off of 2 body wash CRT for Suave. I paid just 78 cents for the both of these. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is being wonky lately, you guys. I'm ready to contact somebody that's not customer service. As you guys know, I went on tour at that place back in February, so I can get a hold of somebody that's not in customer service. But I've been having nothing but problems with Fetch Rewards. I no longer really worry about Fetch with CVS because it's a lost cause, but with my Walmart and CVS, or my Walmart and Walgreens receipts, I'm not getting the points that I should. So they're kind of right now at the bottom of the rebates because I feel like there's something going on. I don't know if it's the customer service or what, but definitely let me know if you guys are having problems, because once I get more people letting me know what's going on, I'm going to say something, because I feel like they're going to start going down just like Saving Star is. I mean, Fetch is a good company. They've been really awesome, but something's going on. So we will see. But yeah, those are that. And then I got a couple more items for you guys. So I did the Pantene deal. I bought 3 of them for $15. Okay. And then I also did the Tresemme deal. Okay. So the Pantene were 3 for $15 and the Tresemme was 2 for $10. I had a 5 off of 3 coupon that we got from our, the November P&G. And then I had a 5 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts today. I had a 4 off of 18 any shampoo and conditioner. Plus I had a 2 off of 7 Pantene CRT. Well, I added these together and I had exactly 18 plus 7, whatever that is, for shampoo and conditioner. So it turned out perfectly. I paid $9 for all 5 of these items. But then you get a $5 extra care buck when you buy 3 of these for the Pantene. And then you guys will get 1,100 points with why can't I think? With Shopkick, you get 300 and 300 points, I think, for buying 1 of each. If you scan it, my store wouldn't let me scan it, but I could still submit my receipt, I think. But then if you buy both of them, you get an additional 600 points. So 1,100 points is equivalent to $4.40. So all 5 items became a 4-cent moneymaker. Everything was for free. So pretty excited for that. That was my haul. I didn't have any problems at the register, just the first time when I was doing the Neutrogena. I wanted to see if everything turned out okay. And then she voided it because something wasn't right, and then we did it again and it turned out perfect. My total came to $11.48 for everything. I ended up using $57 worth of extra care bucks, but I only received $41 back. I did receive $4.25 with Ibotta. I did receive $4.40 with Shopkick. And then I'll get that $10 Visa Fandango gift rewards card or whatever that is. I do have that link in my breakdowns if you guys check that out. So my grand total came to $8.83. I got 24 items at just 36 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. If I did my math right, and if body wash is included with beauty, which I think it is, I should be getting $9 back with beauty points. So just giving my heads up with that. And if I do get the $9, then this whole haul would have been absolutely free and a moneymaker. But just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching. I hope we have an awesome month this month. It's a great month. I mean, just look at the printable coupons that we got. Hopefully you guys can keep up with that stuff. I'm going to try to share with you guys every time those coupons reset. I'm really trying to keep up with you guys on that stuff. So I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching and see you guys later. Bye-bye.